Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing, thank you for sharing. Please like this video, also subscribe. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so now. Please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification button to receive more updates, more tutorials, more lessons, more tips from me. Now this video, I want to in the last video, first of all, in the last video I actually taught how to get paid hosting, how to get paid domain, but in this video I actually want to show you how you can get a free hosting and a free domain. Now how can we get our free hosting and free domain? We can get our free hosting and free domain from 000webhost.com. Just click on it, you can get your free hosting from them. Now one thing about this free hosting is you don't actually have full right over your domain name. Now look at this is an account I have with them, filtex.00webhostapp.com. just like this. Can you see this is the paid domain? Just hottest news. I wanted to use hottestnews.com.ng and this is hottest news. Now but your free domain, if it's a free domain, your company name, whereby the company that gave you the free domain, their name will be attached to the domain, which means you are not the rightful owner of the domain. They are the rightful owner of the domain. They are the rightful owner of the domain. Now this is, if you get a paid hosting, you can actually create something like this, which is called subdomain. For those that get free hosting, when we get to cPanel, I'm going to show you that. Actually going to show you how you can create a subdomain. Now this is a domain. Now this is something like a subdomain, which means you are not the real owner of the domain. It is being owned by 000webhost.com. So their name is being attached to your domain. Now but for those that does not have the capability to get a paid hosting and a paid domain, and you are actually interested in this video, that's why I'm making this. You are actually interested in this series, in this tutorial, you want to actually follow along, that's why I'm showing you this, so that you can follow along with your free hosting and free domain. Now let's come to our 00webhost.com to get our free domain and free hosting. They also have paid hosting. They also have paid hosting, but we don't need that, because we are after the free web hosting, which is this. The free web hosting, which is this. We can actually upload one website on it. We have 300 MB disk space, then limited bandwidth. So just click on free sign up. Just click on free sign up. You can sign up with your email, or you can actually log in with Google, anyone you want. Let me make use of email. Let me make use of one of my emails. Then I've actually made use of this email before. Okay, let me log in with Google. Let me check this. Okay, so here now I actually have an account with this email also. Let me go back so you can see how you can actually set it up. Let me go back so that you will see how you can actually set it up. Let me use another account. Let me log into a random email. I will pause this video and resume once I've logged into my email. Okay, welcome back. I've actually signed in another email to this computer, so let's continue from where we stopped. Let me just log in with Google. Let me log in with Google. Okay, I have a new email here. I'll make use of this email. I've not used this email to create an account with them, so I'll just make use of the email. It's loading here. So just click on let's create some magic. For what will you like to do? Will you like to learn web development, build an online store, create web design, start a blog? I'll just click on others. Then I will name my project. Now the name is just like the domain name I want to use, but it's actually optional. But let me just the domain name. Then for example, let me use fashion style, for example, just for my domain name. Then just submit. Submitting. Oh, another website with this name is listing. Okay, submit. Let me check this out. Submit. Fashion styles. Another website. Let me just use a foolish name so that we can just learn this together. Let me say, I hope a website doesn't have this name again. Okay, I don't think it. Okay, yeah, website has been created, and now what we have to do is either we use our own website builder, install the WordPress, or upload our site. Now let me just click on upload my site, and once I click on it, it should take me to my cPanel. It will actually take me to my cPanel. So yeah, I'm actually in my cPanel. So I can just come back to my website list. Can you see on this tab where I have my website list? Now here I can create manage website. Now when I click on manage website, it will actually take me to my main cPanel. This one is my file manager inside my cPanel. When we come to cPanel, I'm going to explain this aspect. I'm going to explain it. So if I come here, this is I can build a website. You have your tools. You can install WordPress. Let me just do that now. Just click on install WordPress. Then you choose a username and you choose a password. And this is my URL. That is my website URL. Can you see this? fashionstyles.00webhostapp.com. That's what I told you. No matter the name you use, the webhost app will actually be showing. So if I actually open this, if I actually copy this, let me try to. If you actually open this in a new, okay, let me open it in a new tab. Fashion styles, STYLESS. How many S do I have? How many S? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 .000 webhostapp.com. You will see, though I don't have anything, I don't have a website yet. Can you see there is no such website? The domain is ready to be. How many? Where did I make mistakes? STYL 1 2 3 4 5 6 1. Okay, I think I have 7. 1 2 3. Let me take this out. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, I have 6 now. I made a mistake. Yeah, it's ready to open. Now can you see your free website has been started? So I don't have a website yet on it. That's why this trash they put in there is what is actually what's showing. So now let me quickly show you how you can install WordPress. So here, just click on install, or you come to your file manager. For those that are making use of coding, you actually upload your code in your file manager. I will actually explain that when we get to cPanel. You can just install WordPress direct from here. Then you choose a username. I can just make it of admin. Then I just password, I can just copy it, because you will make use of this password. So make sure you copy it and save it somewhere, and make sure you don't forget the password. You can just show the password, hide, show, hide, show, hide, show, hide, so that you can see it. So you just install. So your WordPress is installing. Now that's how you install WordPress. I'm still going to take how to install WordPress on a paid hosting. I'm still going to show that in the next video when we go to cPanel for a paid hosting. I'm just trying to show you on a free hosting. I'm trying to show you how you can work your way around on a free hosting. Sorry, this tutorial is kind of dry and like this. It's midnight here, so I have to just do it. So my WordPress is installing. My WordPress is installing. So once it finishes installing, you will see the magic. Boom. You will see what will happen when we move to our domain and reload it. You will see the magic. You 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 see the magic. Our WordPress is still installing. Kind of have a slow network. Okay, my software is now ready for configuration, which means my WordPress is now installed. Let me come to my domain and let me just reload this page, and you see the wonder that will happen now. Can you see I have my WordPress installed? When you just install a WordPress, let me reload this. This is how it will look like. It will look something like this. It will look something like this when you just install a WordPress. And now, I copied my password. Then when I want to install WordPress, where it was giving me username admin, you can actually change that username. Then now to log into your WordPress backend, your WordPress, this is the front end where people can visit, but you as your web designer, you need to make use of the backend. You make use of your backend, and to have access to the backend, you just click on /wp admin. Once this loads, can you see this is my backend? For me to log in, the username when I wanted to install was admin. Then the password was what I copied. Then so I will just paste it and just click on login. So I will get into my WordPress backend. For those admin, I copied the password. Then now, did I change it? Did I change it? Okay, don't worry about this. Now I hope you get how you can get your free hosting, your free domain, how you can install WordPress on a free hosting. In the next video I'm going to make, I'm going to show you how you can actually I'm going to log in into a cPanel for paid hosting. I'm going to show how you can install WordPress for paid hosting, and this password stuff. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can actually if you forget your password, now this is a good scenario. If you forget your password or you don't know your password, you actually lost your password. As a web designer, you do not lose your password forever. There's a way you can actually go and hack your password. You can actually hack your password and actually change your password, so that you will be able to have access to the back end of your website. So all this I'm going to show you in the next tutorial video. Please like my video, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hope you now know how you can get your free domain, your free hosting, so that you can follow up with the remaining of this tutorial. Thank you. We'll see in the next video.